this house of Fauno, as soon as you walk, at least in the back room, towards the volcano side, you see all these mosaics, which is very interesting because the first mosaic actually is a cross with hearts. Looks like hearts. Could be design, but you know, this is Christianity took hold in this area. And then you see X's for Christ, and actually you saw another X there. It's a lot of X's, which became more Christos. And you see mainly this room, off the side room. Maybe there was somebody in this house that was a Christian, and this was the house, the little room they met in. But it's interesting that there's a cross, especially right at the beginning as entry, which is very distinction between the other mosaics that exist here. A normal entry would be just a stone, but on this room here is actually a mosaic, marble entry to where that cross is. In the region of 6 INS 12 is this corner here. In this street is the house of Fauno, if I could say it right, next to this well here on this street. And you'll find on this room, right on the other side of this wall, is where the mosaics are. And there's an entryway right here in this door. Doesn't give a list of name. Probably on the far end of this house is probably the name. So this would be on the far end of the house, would be this little room in the back. It's Christian. In this house you'll see also these mosaics of, this is Darius III. And this over here is Alexander the Great Greek Empire meeting the Great Persian Empire. This is the end really of the Persian Empire and the beginning of the Greek Empire. In this house you see the mosaic of Darius III and Alexander over here. And beyond this walkway, past this courtyard, in that far room, after walking through these mosaics here, in the far room, right over there, is where we're going to see some mosaics that have crosses in them. It's in that far corner of this lovely large house. You can hear some other mosaics here with some very basic symbols. It looks like waves on the edge.